Hi, today I'm gonna show you how I painted this little cutie robin bird and the holy branch as Christmas is coming. So I first started with the orange color for the base color of the bird, and I will have to add more layers later on because watercolor is quite transparent. But I'm trying to use a brush stroke to create the texture of the feather. Adding more yellow. And for the back of the bird, I use kind of violet or purplish color. And to me, a painting that has more than just one color is more attractive and more beautiful. Also, add to the tail and to the bottom of the bird. Although in real life, it's kind of white color, but it depends on the light as well. So sometimes white doesn't look white. And now I'm adding more shade to where the light cannot reach the feather, so those parts will look darker. So I added more pigments to the the painting, and more darker orange color. So now the bird looks more 3D to me. Just try to use a brush stroke to create the texture of the feather. Now it's time to paint the branch. So I used kind of green, but I added a little bit black color, so it will look, to me it looks more natural than when you use the original green color from the tube or from the palette. And for watercolor, we need to paint the light color first, or for example, if you paint the leaf, then you need to add the light green first before you add the shadows in. It's different from when you paint acrylic or oil, because for those kind of mediums, you can add darker color first and then add the highlight on top of that, because they are not as transparent as watercolor. But for watercolor, as soon as you add the dark pigments or the dark color on the paper or canvas, then it's really hard or almost impossible to add lighter color on top of that, because watercolor is very transparent. So you can notice that I added a little bit of yellow color at the edge of the leaves, because that's how they are designed in nature. And I'm adding more dark green to create shadows. And you can notice that the contrast between the light green and the dark green is very strong. It's because the holly leaves are very shiny. The surface of the leaves are very kind of slippery or shiny, so it reflects the light very well. That's why I use the high contrast here. And now it's time to paint little red holy fruits. All looks so juicy, and I just want to try them right away. So be careful this time, because if you press the brush too much, then the color might be out of the sketch. So you need to be very gentle and patient to paint every single fruit and use the tip of the brush. Now adding more shadow. I hope you liked the video today. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like and also subscribe, because it's a huge support for me. Thank you.